Okay, now let's start our class. First of all of you should be on screen. Put yourself on screen. Those who will not be on the screen, I will remove them. Very strictly, very firmly. Be on the screen. Those who will not be on the screen, I will remove them. Simply. Anytime if I didn't found anybody on the screen, I will remove them without any warning. Okay, since from very beginning I am saying this. Now, before we should proceed our class, I will share one of the videos which has been shared by the students. Okay, let's see. Let me share this video. I hope it is visible to you, and I hope it is visible to you. You can see sugar has been added. Sugar has been added in water. She has taken a spoon and she is stirring, and she is making a solution of sugar and water. What she is doing? She is making a solution of sugar and water. I hope it is visible to all of you. Now you cannot find any sugar more in the water. You can see she is showing with the help of a spoon. She is showing with the help of a spoon that no more sugar is there in the water. Now, okay. You can see now there is no more sugar. Okay. I hope it is clear. Again, the second video. You can see mud do not disappear. This was done by the Smriti Komal. Okay, these two videos. I hope the video was clear to you. You have understood it. Unmuted.
सर
Yes, tell me.
सर हमको जानते हैं सर पानी होता है सोल्यूबल और जो सॉल्ट है ना सर वो सॉल्वेंट है और जो सॉल्यूशन है सर वो जो उसका आंसर हुआ वो सॉल्यूशन हुआ सर हम जानते हैं सर पढ़े हैं।
अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा। अभी ये भी जान रहे होगे कि अभी हम बोले हैं कि सबको ऑन स्क्रीन रहना है एंड व्हाई यू आर ऑफ द स्क्रीन। चलो, तो आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड इट। ओके, म्यूट योरसेल्फ, खुद से म्यूट कर लिया करो, ठीक है। नाउ आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू व्हाट यू हैव सीन। यू हैव सीन sugar. What you have seen here, you have seen that we have seen two cases. Okay, we have seen two cases. See here, we have seen two cases. In the first case, sugar was taken, sugar and water was taken. Sugar is added with water, and what happens? It gets sugar and water, it got mixed. Okay, what happened? Mixed well and formed solution. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. We have taken sugar and water. What happened? Sugar and water mixed well and formed solution, and this solution is called sarbat or syrup. What this solution is called? This solution is called syrup or sharbat. In the second example, she has taken soil plus water. Okay, what happened? Didn't mixed well. Didn't. Okay, didn't mixed well and didn't form solution. I hope it is clear to you. Sugar plus water, it mixed well, and whereas soil and water didn't mix well, hence solution was not formed. Now what you have seen, when we are making the solution, here there is two things. Okay, here there is two terms. First is solute and second one is solvent. Okay, before we proceed, we must take another term which we have to learn here. Okay, there are two types of substance with respect. Okay, many students are joining late. Okay, now there are two types of substance. Okay, one is soluble substance, other is insoluble substance. Okay, one is soluble substance. Let's see. First, let's see the next definition. Soluble substance. Soluble substance. Soluble substance. The substance which get mixed with the water is called soluble substance. Soluble substance. I hope it is clear to you. The substance which get mixed with the water, that is called soluble substance. Okay, and the substance, the next is here. We will also take it down in the revision notes. Okay, we will also take it down in the revision notes. Right, let's see here. Ragini Prajapati, you are off the screen. Okay, what is soluble substance? The substance which get mixed with the water. The substance which get mixed with the water, this is called soluble substance. Now, any one of you, can you give the example of, you can raise your hand, can you give the example of soluble substance? If you can give the example of soluble substance, raise your hand. I will unmute you from here. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
What are soluble substance?
My question is, can you name soluble substance? Can you name soluble substance?
Sir, water.
Can you tell me the name of soluble substance? Love course. Let me wait. Let me inquire the love course first. You give the example of soluble substance.
Yes, sir. Salt, sugar, lemon juice.
Salt. No, don't say juice. Juice is juice. Salt, sugar, and okay. Salt, sugar, and lemon juice. Okay, mute yourself. Next, Sonali, unmute yourself. Sonali. Sonali. Srishti.
Sugar, salt, lemon juice.
But only, I think you are saying the book one. You find it from your surrounding. You find it in your home. Okay, find out some of the substance from your home which is soluble. Okay, Anand Vishal, Smriti Komal.
Yes, sir. Sugar, salt, lemon, soap.
Lemon soap. Any other example? You try to find out any other example other than sugar, salt, and lemon juice. Okay, try to find if you have any other example. Then only you raise your hand. Okay, please lower your hand, everybody. And now you raise your hand if you know other example than this. Okay, so other example apart from sugar, salt, and lemon juice. Sachi is raising her hand. Sachi, unmute yourself. Sachi,
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, ink.
Ink. Yes, ink is also an example. It is also a soluble. Okay, next, Ayushi. Ayushi, unmute yourself.
Sir, turmeric powder.
Okay, correct answer. Sonali, Smriti Komal. Any other example? Srishti Raj.
सर
Yes.
सर मुझे पूछना है सर, जो सॉलिड्स होते हैं सर वो भी तो पानी में मतलब मिल जाते हैं.
That you talk to your parents, okay? Or you talk to me after the class. While I am teaching, be academic oriented. The things related with the academic, things related with the chapter should be discussed only. Okay. Ritika, I think you have answered. So now let's take it down. Okay. What are the soluble substance? Give the example of soluble substance. You have said sugar, salt, sugar, salt, lemon juice, turmeric powder, लव कोर्स फिर आया, ये फिर स्टार्ट हो गया लव कोर्स. Love course, come on the screen. Love course, unmute yourself. In which class is love course? किस क्लास में है ये? 5C में है. Who is class teacher of 5C?
संगीता कुमारी.
संगीता मैडम को भी हम बोलते हैं, ये क्लास नहीं करेगा. Unmute yourself, come on the screen, else I will complain about you to the principal, sir. So next, I hope it is clear to you, and most of you have also answered in the chat mode. I can see Ritika has answered in the chat mode. She has said that the example of soluble substance is ink and juice, coffee powder, flour. No, flour is not soluble. Okay, Sachi has said ink. Yus Raj has said substance that dissolve in water, soluble. sugar, salt are example of soluble substance. Yes, it is
सर
correct.
धनिया पाउडर भी होगा.
Please be quiet. When I will ask you to speak, then only you will speak. And Sahil Kumar Mannat has written syrup. Syrup. It is washing powder. It should be washing powder, not syrup. Okay. It should be washing powder. Okay. And I can see rest of the answers are very common answer that we have discussed. Okay. Bharti Kumari. Okay. Next. So let's take it down. Let's take it down in our revision notes. Other answers also. Okay. You have written turmeric powder. It is also ink and coffee and what that boy has told syrup. It is washing powder. It is washing powder. Okay. And I hope it is clear to you. At last, I should write etc. Next question is here. What are insoluble substance? Okay. What are insoluble substance? Insoluble substance. What are insoluble substance? What will be the answer? How many of you can answer it? If you can answer it, raise your hand. Okay. If you wishes to answer, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Mute yourself, everybody. Okay. Nandini Anand, unmute yourself. Nandini Anand, unmute yourself. What are insoluble substance? Now be ready with the answer of example of insoluble substance. Okay. Be ready with the example of. Tell me.
Pebble, sand, gravel.
No, I am asking definition. Okay, I am asking definition of insoluble substance. Do you have the definition of insoluble substance?
No, sir.
No. Okay, next. Srishti Raj, unmute. Srishti Raj, unmute yourself. Srishti Raj.
There are many materials that do not get dissolved in water is called insoluble substance.
Very good. There are many materials which do not get dissolved, okay, in the water. Which do not get mixed up with the water. Okay, they are called. Okay, next, gases.
Yes, sir.
Tell me definition.
The substance which do not get mixed in water is called insoluble substance.
Okay. Swati Kumari, unmute yourself. Swati Kumari.
Sir, the substance which does not get mixed with the water is called insoluble substance.
Shashwat.
Yes, sir. The substance that do not get dissolved in water is called insoluble substance.
Okay, now can you tell me the example? Now all of you, can you tell me the example of insoluble substance? Raise your hand.
Sand and pebbles. Sir, sand and pebbles.
Sand and pebbles. Okay, kerosene, oil, etc. They do not get mixed up with the water. I hope it is clear to you. Now, let's take it down in our revision notes. Okay, the substance. That do not get mixed up with the water is called insoluble substance. Okay, next, what are the example? What are the example of insoluble substance. What are the example of insoluble substance? Example of insoluble substance, you have already told. Answer, it is soil, floor, while, okay. So any more answer? And let me see, most of you have also answered it in the chat mode. Okay, let me see towards the chat mode what you have answered. Okay, carbon tetrachloride. Oh my God, very high level answers he has given. Carbon tetrachloride, insoluble substance. Okay, liquid. Bhavya Kishore, no, liquid is wrong. Substance do not dissolve in water. Stone, it is correct. Sand, quine, wild pebbles. Smriti Komal, floor, sand, while I have written. Okay, Pragati Raj, sand. Okay. Now you try to find out the substance which do not get mixed up with the water. Okay. You will try to find out the list of the substance which do not get mixed up. Okay. This will be your homework. Okay. This will be your homework. Next. Coming to next, we have the another topic that is called solute and solvent. Okay, next we have a new topic that is solute and solvent. Okay, see what is solvent? Solute plus solvent. See here. Solute plus solvent. Solute plus solvent is equal to solution. Okay, so what is solute and what is solvent? Here we have seen the three terms: solute, solvent, and solution. Okay, when substance dissolve completely in any medium, we get a solution. Okay, we get a solution. So what is the definition of the solution? The definition of the solution is when any substance. Okay, let's see, suppose we have said about the sugar, we have said about the sugar, we have said about the salt, we shared about the lemon juice, we talked about ink, we talked about the washing powder. All of this substance, it get mixed with the water and it form a solution. When any substance, okay, any substance, so what are these substance? These are soluble substance. Okay, these are soluble substance. When any substance get mixed with any medium. Okay, I will say any medium. Okay, any medium. Okay, when any substance which get mixed with any medium. Okay, get mixed with any medium, it form solution. Okay, what it form? It form solution. It form solution. What I have said, the definition of solution is when any substance that get mixed with any medium. Okay, any medium, any substance with any medium. See here. So what I have talked about the two things. Okay, I have talked about two things. Okay, I have talked about two things. First one is solute plus solvent. You can see what is solute. Solute is also a medium. Okay, this is solute and this is also any substance. And solvent, this is here we are talking about the solvent. Okay, so this is also a any medium, any substance. This is any substance. Okay, this is any substance. Okay, this is any substance. Okay, this is any substance. Now, and this is the which get mixed with any medium. I said any medium. Okay, any substance which get mixed with any medium, this is what they form. What they form? Solution. What they form? Solution. Okay, any substance from any medium, what they form? They form solution. I hope the definition of solution is clear to you. Okay, definition of solution is clear to you, right? With any substance get mixed with any medium, they form solution. I hope it is clear. Next, we have the example. Okay, next, the substance. Now we will learn the definition of the solute. Any substance. What we have said here, we have said any substance. Okay, now let's try to try to write it down. Let's take it on the revision notes first. Question: what are solution? What are solution? What I told, when any substance. इसके लिए तो सबसे पहले एक चीज तो याद यहाँ पर ऐसे कर लो, ठीक है? सॉल्यूट, चलो पहले हम लोग लिख देते हैं. When any substance, गोपाल भारद्वाज, बी अलर्ट. अलर्ट नहीं है, इसको भी निकालना पड़ेगा. चलो एक बार देख लेते हैं, मान लो दोबारा कहीं किया तो हम भगा ही देंगे. When any substance get mixed with any medium, when any substance get mixed with any medium, it form solution. Okay, it form solution, right? What it form? It form solution. Now how we can write? Solute. इसको हम क्या बोले? What I told, any substance. Solute is any substance. Solute is any substance get mixed with any medium. This is called solvent. Okay, it is any medium. It is any medium. What it gives? It gives solution. What it gives? It gives solution. Okay, this is very important line. I hope it is clear to you. ये समझ में आ रहा होगा, ठीक है? I hope it would be clear to you. Let me highlight it. Solute, this is any substance. Solute is any substance which get mixed with any medium. What it form? It form solution. I hope it is clear to you. Next we will see. Next we will define. Now let's take an example of the sugar and water. Here we write sugar, and then we write water, and then what it is form? Syrup. Sarbat. In Hindi it is called sarbat. Okay, in Hindi it is called sharbat. ठीक है, लोग क्या उसको कहेंगे? शरबत. ठीक है, so this is what it has formed. Sugar plus water, it has formed syrup, right? So sugar is a solute and water is a solvent. Let's now learn another definition. What is solute? What is solute? What is solute? What is solute? And next, we will not write is. Okay, we will write R. What are solute? What are solute? और इसके आगे एक और चीज लगा देते हैं, substances. Solute substances. What are solvents? Solvent substances. Now I have given the example. Can anybody define this solute and solvent? If you can define. This is chapter 8. Okay, so who will define? Rudra Jaiswal. Yes. Gopal Bhardwaj, unmute yourself. He has also raised his hand. Gopal Bhardwaj. Very less time, raise your hand. Gopal Bhardwaj, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, solute का for example.
हाँ नहीं सॉलिड का डेफिनेशन जब पहले सामने तो आओ जरा चेहरा दिखाओ ये बताओ कि स्क्रीन पर भी लिख क्यों रहे थे भाई यू वर राइटिंग ऑन दिस
सर गलती से लिखा गया
ठीक है चलो आगे से गलती नहीं करना चलो व्हाट आर सॉल्यूट सॉलिड का डेफिनेशन बताओ सॉलिड का डेफिनेशन
Sir, the substance that gets dissolved in a medium to form a solution is called solute.
One by one you will answer. I have unmuted all of you. Okay, I have unmuted all of you. Sachi, you tell me. Sachi.
Okay. Yes, sir.
फिर हम बताएं नाम बोलेंगे तो बोलना है. It is very bad. Sachi,
Yes, sir.
tell me.
The substance that get dissolved in a medium to a form of solution is called a solute. The medium in which the
No, I have
substance
asked
is
you. Don't go beyond. I asked only about the solute. Okay. So what solute is that you tell only. Okay, Ritika.
The substance that gets dissolved in a medium to form a solution is called solute.
Substance. It is substance. You mind the term. Okay. Okay. Bhavya Kishore. Bhavya Kishore.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Solute.
Solution.
Solute.
Solute. सर सॉल्यूट बोले कि सॉल्वेंट बोले
नहीं सॉल्यूट बोल रहे हैं. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट सॉल्यूट.
So the substance is a solute dissolved the
Be quiet. स्मृति कोमल.
बीच में बोले रहे.
अरे ठीक है तुम इसके बाद
Yes,
बोलना.
sir.
स्मृति कोमल. You tell me.
yes sir.
Tell me.
The solute का
हाँ.
the substance that get dissolved in a medium to form a solution is called a solute.
Okay, finally now you tell about the solvent. It is substance. In the solute you are saying substance. The substance which get mixed with any medium. Now what is solvent? Solvent is a medium. Okay, now less than 1 minute is left. I hope it is clear to you. Any problem to
Yes,
anybody?
sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Call
No, sir.
Okay, you can call.